Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen and click on setting. Then scroll down and find the app section and then click on manage app, and in the search bar type Monopoly. Click on it. In the left hand corner you will see clear data. Click on it and click on clear cache and click OK. Then check your app if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, then go on previous page. In the right hand corner click on clear data and click on clear all data and OK. This will fix your issue. If this method is not working for you, then there is another method for fix this issue. For that you have to go to Play Store and click on search bar and type Monopoly. Click on the app and see if there any update available. If any update available, click on update and try to open your app. After updating your app, click on play, and hopefully this method will definitely fix your issue. Thank you for watching.